Okay, hello everyone. This is a survey I did, published in 2016 on the degree grades of 300 eminent scientists, fellows of the Royal Society. I was looking at them as I met a lot of people with firsts and PhDs, I met a lot of scientists with first class honours degrees and PhDs, but when I got to know them, they weren't really scientists. They'd never thought about anything they were working on. They just sort of did as they were told all the time. And some of them ended up in admin and leaving research. And I'd heard of people like Francis Crick that got a 2-1 and Rosalind Franklin who worked out the DNA X-ray who got a second class. So I looked at 300 names and I found a surprising, well, it didn't really surprise me, but I found that 54% of scientists, this is published in the Biologist, and it's entitled "Don't Judge a Scientist by the Degree Grade." The Royal Society of Biology magazine. Okay, I found 54% of scientists on it got first. 10% of them never did degrees at all. Some did apprenticeships. Some did training at polytechnics and technical colleges. About 30% got seconds or lower classes, or got second class or 2-2s or lower. So 30% got second class 2-2, so 2-2 or lower. 10% never did degrees, and about 18% I think got third class or worse. Okay, so there were some immensely eminent decorated scientists in this who really completely messed up their degrees. John Walker, one of Britain's most decorated biological chemists, biochemist, he got the Copley Medal Nobel Prize. He got a third class honours because he was ill. Admiral Henry Jackson, who invented radio communication between ships, he never went to university at all. He just trained in the job and self-taught himself about radio and, well, he self-taught radio and developed radio communication. And I met a chap called Morley Crane, who became a very eminent plant scientist. He got an apprenticeship age 15 or something at Botanical Gardens. His father was a gardener. There were some people here from very humble, modest backgrounds as well. Only 10% of the scientists on this actually went to Oxbridge. The rest of them went everywhere else, from Botanical Gardens, the military, the Royal Navy, the Air Force, industry, chemical industries, biological industries. They went everywhere else in all the other universities around the country. So yeah, this is I think there is a lot of obsession with degree grades in Britain in the last few years, but this survey kind of says people need to stop obsessing about high grades, because a lot of very brilliant scientists, people who are very deep thinkers, get very poor grades. And sometimes people who, well, it's a 50-50. Half of those people who have firsts and PhDs or first class honours degrees are not really scientists at all. They don't think about anything. They never really think about anything. So yeah, it was So I wanted to share this with you, okay? To try to help everyone get on better in the world. Thanks.